Hello, Shagali speaking. Welcome to my problem solving tutorial, lead code problem solving by JavaScript. So today we are gonna solve this problem, and it is reverse linked list. Okay, so it's in the perfect order like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you need to just reverse it. So 5 will be there, then 4, 3, like that. So just reverse, nothing else. It's very simple. So what they are telling you, say it is in the perfect order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to reverse it. Okay, just make it opposite. So I have the code over here. So this is the blueprint, class blueprint. It's very simple. So rest of the things what I have done, I have every detail over here what is happening inside the code, so it is crystal clear and will make you a good understanding. So what is happening over here, you see this is the main function reverse list. Okay, so if no head, it will return previous. Say I am not supplying any heads, no 1, no 2, no 3. I'm not supplying, I'm supplying nothing. Okay, so it will not get nothing, then it will return previous. Previous will null as it has nothing. So inter loop will stop at the finishing. As it is a recursive call, you need to have understanding about the recursive call. Recursive function is such a function which is calling itself until the base target is meeting. Okay, so reverse list. So if not hit, it will return previous. So in the next line, if it is find something, so as I am supplying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it is getting the heads. So the loop will continue. The process will continue. Okay, so then next will be head dot next. So initially head is 1 and previous is null. So next will be head dot next. So next will be head dot next. I mean head dot next means 2. So it is updating as 2. So head dot next equal to, it will be previous. So head dot next, I mean on dot next, it will be null as it is null. So head dot next is updating as previous. So null. So after first iteration, what will be the recursive list? It will be next and head. So what is next? Next is 2 and head is 1. So it will 2 and 1. So reverse list so far, as we have only one, this is head. You see, this is head. It will, we are getting only one. Okay, in the next iteration, second iteration, what will happen? So now it is 2 and previous will be 1. Why previous is 1? There is an explanation over here. In the initial call, prep starts with null. Okay, the subsequent calls, prep takes on the values of the previous set. In the subsequent call, takes on the values of previous set. It will take the previous set. So in the second iteration, it will take the previous set. Okay, in the third iteration, it will take previous set. It will take previous set. It will take previous set. So what is it saying previous head? Okay, so it's saying it is taking previous head. Okay, okay, so previous taking previous head, previous head, previous taking previous head, previous head. So previous taking previous head, previous head. So I am matching you everything. So previous taking previous head. Okay, previous taking previous head, previous head. You got the point? Again I am saying previous taking previous head. Okay, previous taking previous head, previous taking previous head, previous taking previous head, previous taking previous head. I think you got the point. So I am giving you a bit by bit from scratch what is happening over here. So after second iteration, so it is happening like that. Initially it was 1, now it is reversing step by step. Okay, it is becoming 2 and 1. In the third iteration, so head is 3. Okay, and previous taking the previous head, so as it is 2, so it is taking over here. Next is 4. Why next is 4? You see head dot next equal to prep. So head dot next, I mean 3 dot next equal to prep. But oh, yeah, next is head dot next. So head is 3 dot next 4. So if you mass it, every details is like a parrot fashion. I am saying you everything. So it's like a spoon feeding. Okay, you need not to toil what is happening over here. I am giving you everything for your better understanding. So in the fourth iteration, so it's initially it was 1, now it is 2, 1. It is reversing gradually. You see, 3 by 1, then 4 by 4, 3, 2, 1. Finally, 5, 4, 3, 1. And what is happening in the last recursive call? It is becoming null. Is because after 5 they're getting nothing. After 5 it is becoming null. So next is becoming null. So when it is becoming so no head, it will return the prep. Okay, so it is happening over here. So base case head is null, now head is null and prep is 5. Okay, so return the prep, which is now the reverse list head 5. Okay, so finally this is happening. So it is happening in the time complexity of big O of n and space is big O of n. So do you if you think that there is a chance to increase the space complexity, so give me the solution in the comment box and discuss that how you can increase the space complexity or time complexity. So this is the recursive function. I hope it will give you a good understanding. Okay, now let's dive into the code. Okay, first of all, uh, like the class blueprint, class list node. Okay, constructor value next equal to null. Okay, this dot val to val, this dot next equal to next. Okay, bar reverse list equal to function head and previous equal to initially null. So if no head is null, then return previous let next equal to get dot next head dot next equal to prep return reverse list next head. Okay, main function is done. So this is test case. So I am taking the test case from here. Two test cases. Okay, so for print the reverse list, print the reverse list, let current equal to reverse list while current, it is true, console.log current equal to current dot next. So we are done. Let's see. Oh, sorry. The console I have Node.js 20. Val is not defined. So there is a typo. I have merely write it val. It should be val. So let's see. It's saying undefined, but we need to add another line over here. Const reverse it equal to reverse list dot head. It will reverse the order. Okay, let's see. Still no undefined. So another wrong I have done. This is not reverse list, it is reverse head. So that's why it is saying undefined. Okay, so note. So now it's giving the reverse order list. Okay, 5 4 3 2 1. So if we go for another test case, say yeah, it is giving the perfect result. So I hope that will make sense. So after coding, if you come over once again, you will understand everything. This is crystal clear. I am giving you everything. So finally the result is like that. Okay, thank you very much. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned. It will be a wonderful journey. Thank you very much.